Today it's Thursday, March the 16th, and here we have connection E2470 for high volt in Germany, where we have an MVTB6-2 board with GOAB-1 installed to convert it into a 6-1, where we bring in one input, and that input, because of that jumper GOAB-1 installed, we could bring in that input here into this channel that controls these 3 SCRs, or this channel, the receiver, where we control these 3 SCRs. But because we have the GOAB-1 installed, one input, whether we bring it here or here, will send the same output to 6 SCRs. And what we have here is 6 SCRs, 3 dual SCR modules, and anti-parallel. We are using 480 on this video, just for illustration purposes, and we'll show that the GOAB board, which is the board that generates that firing signal. By the way, the GOAB board right now, it's configured so that when 12 volts it's applied, we fire a signal. When with the 12 volts is removed, it inhibits. We can always change the logic according to the corresponding schematic for that board, so that it fires when the 12 volts is removed and inhibits when it's present. And basically it's an all or nothing kind of situation. What we have here, it's already 480 volts applied. We have on our input 476 volts AC. We don't have an output, and this board, it's powered already. This board has power simply by bringing 24 volts AC, and now if we bring in or enable signal, and of course we get the output signal going from the fiber optic and the GOAB to the 6-1. Let's go ahead and do that, Tony. Bring in 12 volts. Alright, so now we have 474 on the input, 472 on the output, and we have our lamp load blowing. And if we had a differential probe on our output, we could show that we have a perfect sinusoidal waveform for the output. The board is configured to send 50% duty cycle and a DC constant gating current of 24 kilohertz. So this is the end of this video. Oh, no, actually, let's go ahead and remove the 12 volts only, the enable command. So again, we go back to 0, and this is all instantaneously. So this is the end of this video.